Hi friends, this is Vijay. I am explaining about how to conduct online test. First, we entered into Google, type TESTMOZ test moj like this. We saw screen like this test moj. Click on test moj. In this screen, at the top test moj is there. Click on that. After that, screen will be like this. Test moj. Easily create test for your class, business or organization. Here build a test, try a demo test like this. Test mode is very simple. Adjust a few settings. There are three options. Adjust a few settings. Second one is add your questions. Third is distribute the URL. First of all, we must adjust some few settings are there. We must adjust them. After that, we have to add questions to that question paper in this online. Next, to distribute the URL, we must distribute the URL to the children to write examination, and also we must give password to the children. So who uses test mode? Test mode is very important to know to our teachers, especially high school teachers and also college lecturers, to conduct online test for our children. Nowadays children have cell phones, laptops, desktops, and also mobile phones are there. They have internet also, so we must to conduct some slip tests on this online. We have to save our time in our classroom and also in our school. So online test is very useful to our teacher community. We must learn about how to conduct these tests in online. Especially lady teachers are very important to know this test, because they feel like that this is not act of me any. So please kindly learn, lady teachers and also gen teachers, use how to use the online, how to use this test. Now build a test. Click on that. Right, now we see like this test name. Type here test name. Okay, I will type my test name. I will do it. This is the reading a section of my subject. So the test name is like that. Choose a password. Password choosing is very important, and also it's very important to memorize it to further future actions. Choose a password ABCD 1 2 3. I given. Retype your password ABCD 1 2 3. This is my password to act future. In future, use this password and enter it. Next, I will do it. Dashboard is like this. Here is tasks are there 0 to 4. 0 task is, it is absolutely critical that you do this. This is about URL. You must copy the URL and password. Adjust settings. First one is. Second one is add questions. Third is publish and distribute. Fourth is view results. So adjust settings. Some settings are there, we must adjust them. After that, we add some questions, what we are testing, what we are going to test our children. After that, publish and distribute. We publish them and distribute to our children password and URL. Then the children will write the examination. After that, we time to time we must view the results, who wrote their examinations, our children, by entering their name. So next, adjust settings. Basic settings are there. Already test name already was given. I will do it. Here introductions. This test is displayed at the top of the test. So I give an attempt all questions, and also given each question carries 1 mark. Color schemes are there. I select blue scheme, blue color. This is the question paper color of the students who wrote the examination. Next here the language detect automatically English, French, German. English are detect automatically selected. So detect automatically means already English is there. Question settings. Show all the test questions on one page is there. So one question per page. Which one we want to select one. So let us see. So one question per page. Here allow the students to jump around to different questions in the text. Only allow the students to move forward after answering a question. Only after answering a question forward. After each question is answered, indicate the student's response was correct or incorrect. I was not select them. So I selected. So all the test questions in one page. Only I want to see the question paper in one page. After that, randomize the order of the questions during the test. Here is review settings. Review. Next, conclusion test. After that, this test is displayed after the test is submitted. Okay, all the best. I typed all the best to the students who wrote the examination. Next, show a custom message if the student passed or failed. Yes, I selected it. What is the passing score? I given 35%. Pass message I was given like congratulations. After passing the question test, he congratulated. Fail message is also we want to, if we want to give here good attempt. I gave good attempt. So every time fail message also in positive way. At the end of the test, display the user's score. Also I given try again, good attempt and try again. At the end of the test, display the users, indicate if their response was correct or incorrect, display the correct answer, display the explanation. These are all access control. Who can take your test? Anyone, or anyone who enters a passcode of my choosing. So I gave anyone who enters a passcode. I have given a passcode to the test writers 654321. This password is given to our children to write the examination. Next, okay, this is the password, you must remember it. Okay, this was already there to copy. Next, how much time do test takers have to complete the test? Unlimited or some given time? 45 minutes I give. How many times can someone take your test? How many times? Unlimited or 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times? Whatever we wanted to given to the students, we give here. Like I given 3 times. So I changed my mind and given unlimited to the children to write the test. And enter your name, enter your student ID, enter your name. By entering student's name, you can write the examination. Next, last one, notifications. Do you want to receive an email whenever someone finishes this test? No. I select no option. After that, save the settings. Next, we saw a screen like this: insert, undo, redo, insert. Click on insert to write to questions. Right, here questions are there. How- what type of questions we want to give? This is multiple choice, choose one answer. Multiple choice, choose many answers, true or false, fill in the blank, essay type questions. Next, survey or ungraded questions are there. Multiple choice, choose one answer, true or false, like this. So I select multiple choice, choose one answer. Multiple choice, choose one answer. Here is question is there. Next, I am going to type question. Right, who was whatever we wanted to give the questions we wanted to type here. We will type here in any subject. We will type the questions here. Who is the author of Wings of Fire? Okay, I am given model question paper, model example questions. Who is the author of Wings of Fire? This online tests are very important to save our time in our school. We have to give the online test to the children, to the students. They can write exams in online in their home. After that we give them marks, and we saw the results and analyze the results, and explain the children what they did wrong, what they did right, and explain the answers correctly. Here answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Choice R.K. Narayanan. Choice 4 Yandamuri. Okay, 4 options I have given. One option is correct here in this answers. So I said APJ Abdul Kalam is the right answer. Next, plus right side of the page, plus in black box and minus in red box is there. If we write, I select another question, true or false question. Here is true or false question. I write the question name. Right now here right side red box is there, black box is there, plus minus. If we want to delete the question, click the red box minus. If you want to add the another question, click plus mark of the black box. This is for these boxes. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. True or false? Right, answer is true. Okay, these two questions I have taken for this demo test. Okay, now I click menu button. Here left side top corner menu button is there. I clicked it, then screen is like this. Then I clicked publish. Right, screen like publish. I will do it. Ready to publish. Here is publish. This box is there. If we click that box publish, the question paper is published. Okay, before that here view or print in your browser. If you want to print this question paper, we click that point and download it for offline test. Then I clicked on preview test. Here administration and student login. I am administration, so I click administration and enter the password. I have already given. Here is like this, page is like this. Next, publish and distribute. Preview your test is type taken. Right now administration. Right, I clicked on this is the question paper. I will do it. Attempt all questions. Each question carries 1 mark. I gave the answer. This is the demo test. Another mode is the primary stability false. I clicked like that, but it's the true answer. Next, right. These are the two questions. One question is right, correct answer. Second question is incorrect. Also here correct answer also click there. Now this is the question paper. Next I went to my menu page to publish this question paper. Okay, now publish and distribute. Okay, here publish box is there. I clicked, then I clicked that. Right, now this is very important page. Your test is published and available at, our test is available at testmos.com/4211734. I screenshotted that this page. Passcode is 654321. This URL and passcode must be distributed to our children who are going to write the test. This is very important page. Testmos.com 4211734. Passcode is given to the children. They can log into with this URL and passcode. They can write the exams. Next, as a student, we must enter like this. Testmos, we must take URL testmos.com/4211734. As a student, I am going to write this exam, this online test. This is the URL I have already given to the children. Passcode is there. Yes, enter your name. My name is T Vijay. This is the student name. Think like that. Children are writing this examination. Passcode is 654321. I have given to the children. Then start. Right, this is the question paper. The children have seen this question paper like this. They can select the answers and submit the answers. Right, both are correct. Your score is 100%. Top side name is there, and another student is going to write this examination. His name was R Sanju, and he also entered passcode 654321. Start. You write the exam. First one is false. Questions also randomized here. See, right, one question is right, one question is wrong, so his score is 50%. Like this. So number of students are going to write this exam. This is very useful to teachers. After that, we must see the results section. View results. As we are administrators, results. So admin password is there. ABCD123. I have already given first. So I clicked view results. How to view the results of the children? View results. Yes, average score 70%, 50% to 100%. Average time is 8 seconds. Responses to two children wrote the exam. So here R Sanju T Vijay wrote the exam. 50% score is one student, 100% is one student. Started on, finished on. Time is there 7 seconds, 9 seconds. First question 100% right. Second question 50% right. This is the result. View results. So this kind we must see the results in result section. This is very useful to our teachers. After going to school, we must test